In this video, I will guide you through the basics of using Trello as a beginner. Start by opening any web browser on your system and searching for Trello. Click on the first non-sponsored link that appears. This will direct you to Trello's official website. Once there, locate the Get Trello for Free option in the upper right corner of your screen and click on it. You can sign up using your email, Google account, Microsoft account, or another supported method. After signing up, Trello may ask a few questions about your interests. You can either select your interests or choose the skip option to proceed. Once completed, you will be logged into your Trello account. If this is your first time logging in, Trello will automatically create a board for you. To view your workspace, click on Trello Workspace in the upper left corner of your screen. Your Trello Workspace is a collection of boards where you can manage various tasks. A workspace can contain multiple boards for different projects, such as to-do lists, weekly planners, or team projects. To explore templates, scroll down and browse through the available board templates. You can also click on Browse the full template gallery to access templates categorized by business, design, education, and more. To use a template, simply select it, enter a title, choose the workspace where you want to save it, and click Create. Once your board is created, you can organize it into lists and cards. Lists act as categories or stages for tasks, while cards represent individual tasks or items. To add a new list, click Add another list, enter a name, and click Add List. Similarly, to add a card to a list, click Add a card, enter a task name, and click Add Card. If you need to delete a list, click the three-dot menu on that list, scroll down, and select Archive this list. To permanently delete it, go to the three-dot menu in the upper right corner of the board, select Archived Items, switch to the list view, and click the bin icon next to the list you want to remove. The same method applies to deleting individual cards. To edit a card's name, hover your mouse over it and click this icon to make changes. Clicking on a card will open additional options, allowing you to add descriptions, comments, and attachments. On the right-hand panel, you'll find various features like due dates, labels, and checklist options. If you're collaborating with others, you can share your board by clicking Share in the upper right corner. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite and click Share. This will send them an invitation to access the board. To track activities on a board, click the three-dot menu in the upper right corner and select Activity. This will display a history of actions performed on the board, along with the names of the users who made those changes.